First set of play, 16-13. Lamang po ang Sandugo Sandals San Sebastian Lady Stags as we greet a happy birthday to Jacqueline Martin, September 2, and Beng Martin, August 31. And that's from there are ticket sellers from Sports Vision. Again, happy birthday to Jacqueline Martin and Beng Martin from all of us here, and of course from Sir Cesar Malapitan.
Mayet Carolino scoring for the Lady Troopers. They had the driver's seat for nearly the entire first set before Sandugo just turned things around.
Ganda nung serve. John Wally gets the point.
Mahalaga rito for the Lady Troopers na kumayod ng gusto sa depensa. Naka-recover na itong Sandugo from their slow start.
That's true.
And right now, they're playing in rhythm. Everything has been attacked para dito sa mga manlalaro ng black shirts.
Rachel, this time above the block, dug up by Benito. Oy! They thought it was on its way out. Good block there from the Philippine Army.
And that's the type of defense na binanggit natin kanina kasamang Doc na kinakailangan maging matining para sa Lady Troopers kung gusto nilang makuha itong set. Yes, Carolina with that service error.
We talked about her in the pregame. Jovelyn Gonzaga will make her first appearance in the Open Conference together with Urs Iratay, replacing Tina Salak and Mayet Carolino. And Jovelyn Gonzaga again, coach from
CPU. Iloilo.
In Iloilo.
Bumunot na agad ang Philippine Army.
They go to Jovelyn. Attacking from the mid. Uy! Hulog sa gitna by Min.
I think she stands about 6'4" at the very least, huh?
Kuba pa nga eh. Pagka dumiretso pa.
6'6", ano?
She's so tall.
Very, very tall. That spot, extremely dangerous.
Yes, in
pag
the
umangat
middle.
siyang bola. Biglang nang late si Yang Boli, no?
Off the block, Angela Binting. Jovelyn squeezes it past the block. Hindi na nga tumalon, coach. Oh, nice save by Nunag. Nasaraduhan Jovelyn. Oh, that was Alarca again in Dakis. Itong team up ni Dakis saka ni Jack Alarca scoring some points at the block.
And once again, initially at the onset of this game, 3 puntos kaagad.
Yes.
Galing sa kanilang blocking ang kanilang nakuhang puntos. Didiinan natin ulit yan. Ulit-ulitin natin yan. Floor defense has got to be on the high side para dito sa Lady Troopers.
Nice serve from Jack. This one is going over. Jovelyn scores for the Philippine Army.
In any sport, it's always tough to battle against left-handers.
Yeah, kasi iba, no?
Kontra-tempo, iba ang kanilang strong side. Making her first entry, scoring her first point for the Lady Troopers.
Ang may nagsabi namang isa sa akin, it's always hard kung nag-aaral ka, mahirap mangopya pag left-hander yung katabi mo kasi nakaharap dun sa...
Parang hindi ako nahirapan.
yun naman ang may nagturo din sa akin, no? Huwag kang tatabi sa kaliwete pagka sa eskwela.
Ako hindi ako nahirapan sa dala ng pangailangan.
Mapa left hand, right hand, or kaya po.
Tawa ka ng tawa, ha? Kung naging kaklase kita, bata ka pa, kinopyahan din kita, akala mo.
Oh, solid play. That was a good combination play for Rachel.
Pasensya ka na, Doc Ian.
Bakit?
Ana, nahirapan kasi ako sa UP mag-aral. Dati akong physical therapy, nagtapos ako sa philosophy. Pareho naman PS.
Pareho, pasado na naman. Mas importante pumasa. Shakey's, if it's fun, the family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Thank you, Lord. Maliwanag yun. Natakam.
Very good call out by first referee Lumer Pajarillo. Kasi nga naman,
Was that Bunag, right?
yeah, that was Bunag. Kasi tama yung sabi mo, no? Na nataka.
Di pa umaangat, no?
You gotta give the setter of your opponent that chance to still set it up. Oh!
Masakit.
Yung tunog, ano?
Oo. Mahina ang pasa. And that was Gonzaga with a bullet.
Kaliwete.
Oo. Kasi naasahan mo yung pukol dun sa sweet spot mo sa depensa eh. Pero yung bayo, diretso sa leeg. Masakit.
Quality minutes for Ers Iratay and Jovelyn Gonzaga. Now, we have Tina Salak back together with Mayet Carolino.
Ayun, alam natin kung bakit kinuha si Jovelyn Gonzaga sa lineup ng Lady Troopers.
Nice defense by Tina. Uy! Sayang, hindi na save. And Michelle Carolino ties this first set or down by only one itong Philippine Army. Very close first set. Timeout by Sandugo. Let's listen in Coach Roger.
So, spider ninyo, kuya. Pagka nag-susunod, tatakbo yan dun sa open. Tulak ninyo. Sugulang sila eh. Pag tatapon ka na, bitawan nyo yung box. Magulang maglaro ang pass niya, wala naman problema. Kasi magulang, may lalagay niya. Diba? So, abangan niya.
Timeout by Sandugo San Sebastian. Coach Roger, of course, ayaw niyang gusto i-break yung momentum na nasa Philippine Army with this run. Down by 120, serving 21. Combination. Ay! Bantay na bantayan. Sa gitna and no coverage for Sandugo. We are tied at 21 here in the first set.
Yung blocking dito ng Lady Troopers ang umangat na gusto talaga. The injured Nene Bautista making a late entry here in the first set. Binanggit kanina yan sa report kanina ni Ann na baka hindi maglaro.
Now, pwersado si Coach Roger na paglaruin si Nene.
Wala pang warm-up. Hirap yan. May iniinda ka.
Yeah.
Kailangan kang bumuelo agad.
Plus, the set wasn't the best of sets because it was a bit far from the net. So, too much to ask for Nene at that time. Good serve. They go to Benito. Deflected by the block. Ayun na, Mayet Carolino. Easing in that attack to give the Philippine Army a 2-point lead. 23-21. Let's listen in to Sandugo San Sebastian. Let's look at this previous play. Tina Salak will give a back set. Ayun, Mayet Carolino drills it home.
Nung tumindi yung depensa nila, dun sila nakapuntos ng gusto. Receiving well, able to go to their points of attack. And ngayon, 2 points away and 2 points ahead of Sandugo.
Oh, good block. Jemboli trying to save it. But we have the Philippine Army recovering. Pati si Ruby De Leon na sinabi rin ni Ann kanina with her report. Probably under the weather, but she is forced to to play right now. They need her badly.
Alam mo, pang prep na rin ito for the second set.
Could be. Ito na, free ball. From the back row, Jang to Tina. Nako, nagkahiyaan. That is beyond the antenna. Nene Bautista not able to save the Philippine Army. Gets set number 1, 25-21. Problems right now for Sandugo, Coach Ron.
Well, some adjustments, especially sa kanilang rotation. Two players off the bench, unable to deliver in the end. Napakahirap na sitwasyon. Tinasalak and company getting the job done. Look at this final point. Back set. They will finish off this play. Hindi ito yung huling
previous
point.
play.
Previous play, but that will help out.
Yes.
Philippine Army come from behind and nail the first set,
That was our
25-21.
shake and play. We'll be right back.